Have you ever wondered what makes your smartphone smart? These tiny components are called transistors. They are the building blocks of all modern electronics. Let's explain how they work.
Introduction. Have you ever wondered what makes your smartphone smart? Or how your favorite electronic devices function seamlessly? The answer lies in tiny components called transistors. Briefly introduce the purpose of the video, to explain what a transistor is, how it works, its basic circuit representations, and its applications in everyday electronic devices. What is a transistor? Define a transistor as a semiconductor device used to amplify or switch electronic signals. Explain the basic structure of a transistor, NPN and PNP types. Highlight its importance in modern electronics, comparing it to a switch that controls or amplifies electric signals. How a transistor works. Simplify the explanation of electron flow in a transistor, focusing on the concept of current control. Use analogies such as comparing a transistor to a water faucet, small input, water. Controls a larger output, water flow. Mention the roles of the three terminals, emitter, base, and collector. Show a graphic or animation demonstrating how an input signal at the base can control a larger current flowing from collector to emitter. Basic transistor circuit diagram. Introduce a simple transistor circuit diagram, e.g., a basic amplifier circuit or switch circuit. Show the connections for a typical NPN transistor circuit. Explain the function of each component in the circuit, power source, resistor, load, and how they work together with the transistor. Optionally, demonstrate a live simulation or breadboard setup of the circuit to show how it works in practice. Applications of transistors in electronic devices. Discuss where transistors are used in everyday electronics, smartphones, computers, radios, and other devices. Mention advances made possible by transistors, like integrated circuits, ICs, and microprocessors. Emphasize the role of transistors in power management and signal processing. Conclusion. Summarize the key points, definition, function, circuit example, and applications. Encourage viewers to explore further by experimenting with simple circuits involving transistors. Invite viewers to like, subscribe, and leave comments with any questions or topics for future videos. Sign off. Remember, the tiny transistor is a giant leap in technology, powering the world around us. See you next time.